Yo, what's up? Here's a recap of the trade I took today. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's get into it. Alright, London high, move up, move down. Yeah, like that. This is not part of the high because that's not part of the move up, move down wick. So this is just the high. Then London low, move down, move up. Pretty big box, but who cares? Because my model, it doesn't matter how big the box is, you just execute based on a tap in plus reaction. So look, we tapped into it at 625. Then we got the reaction, close out of it. Huge reaction, like at 7 a.m. exactly. Enter right there. We then came back down, tapped into it, then got a huge reaction from news. And yeah, news normally just tells you what price wanted to do, but just in a very short time. So yeah, I entered right when that 5-minute candle closed above it. I didn't even get nervous when it came down here because I'm emotionless in trading. And bang, 30 minutes, around 30 minutes, take profit, got hit. Pretty nice, pretty simple, pretty sigma, you could say. Yeah. Yeah, my strategy's pretty good. That's why it works. Peace.